Oh, hello guys. So, last time, we did a quiz time, last episode, and no, Team Octopus lost, and it was up for elimination. So, Mr. Larry, sir, quit the challenge, and Superman was eliminated. So, yeah. So unfortunately there will be no intro, but let's get into it. Alright, y'all. The new team name is Team Fire, and y'all team is Team Water. The reason why we named y'all this is because it will be better for us to know who is it. Alright. Yeah, but one question. So we're water people. Yeah, like 5 people. The show, okay? Now, next challenge. What's the next challenge be? Wait. What even is that? This is a Nintendo Switch. It's literally been broken into pieces. So today's challenge is that y'all will get each Nintendo Switch. All you have to do is repair it before time limit ends. So, what if we don't complete the time? That means the winning team will be safe. The other team will be up for elimination. Oh, and also, this is a double elimination. What? Why are you serious? No. Yes, I am. I am double serious. Yes. Wow. So for the losing team, you must vote on that contestant to be eliminated. But for the winning team, you had to pick one person out of the losing team. And remember, it cannot be the same person ever. You got that? Yes. Now get to fixing. Alright, King. What do we get? I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. We may need to use something. Guys, you can't be serious. Why is everyone so slow? So slow? What about you? You ain't tired. I am the best. We are the best. The pig was wrong, damn it. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. Oh, great. Finally, time we get the right. Yeah, a lot of viewers can see us. Alright, I'm back. Now, Team Fire. Let's see. Here you go, sir. Wow, nice one. Y'all deserve an A for today's excellence. Now, for team number 2, Team Water. Go ahead. Time is yours. Alrighty, guys. I think I know what to do. You gonna mess it up again? Jen? What? No! I got... Yes? Alrighty. Anyways. Come on, guys. I think we know how it works. I don't think that's how you fix it, man. Wait, you don't? No. This is how the way to do it. Are y'all both slow? It should be like this. Wait, what are you talking about? This is sideways. Oh gosh, they must be having trouble. Let's go help them. No, wait. Shouldn't help the other team. They're enemies, remember? You never said that. Huh? Oh, well, I just did. Whatever. Hey, guys, stop. Now what? Do you know how to fit? This is problem. Duh, stupid thing. Screw this. Oh my gosh. LeBron, what did you do? Wait. I think I know how to do it. I think I made it worse. How did your bubbleheads fail to do such an important task? Alrighty, guys, I'm back. Yeah, why is the screen cracked? I do not know. It was both of them. Dr. Arthur and LeBron James. They broke the controller and the console together. Wow. Team Water, y'all are up for elimination. Looks like someone has been ruined. Shush! Be quiet! This won't be the last thing you ever heard, nor seen. Sorry. I was really scared. I really don't know what to do. Don't worry. You didn't break the control and console on my down. We heard that. Shush, be quiet. Anyways. Alright. Team Water, you go second. Alright, I got all votes. If I call your name, you will leave the elimination area at once. You're not eliminated, but you're safe. If your name's not, if both names are not called, then you must go to the bag of shame. And must join with Superman at once. Alright, Crocodile and Tyrone, y'all safe. Nice. One shot, G, safe.